Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today we're going south. We're going south of France, especially in the Provence area, Marseille. That's where this dish is from. Bouillabaisse in French literally means bouille, boil, baisse, reduce. This dish is all about boiling, reducing, boiling, reducing, boiling, reducing. And you will see when I make it. This is, of course, my version of that beautiful dish, Bouillabaisse on Stef le Chef. Let's do it. So to make my bouillabaisse, we need a selection of fish, which today I've got some firm like a monkfish fillet. I've got some cod fillets. I've got some sea bream, sea bass. I've got some mussel meat. You can have fresh mussel if you wish. And I've got some mini lobsters, king prawns here. We need some saffron, garlic, red chilies, orange, onions, fennel bulb, celery, leeks, thyme, oregano, plum tomato. As for the liquid, we need extra virgin olive oil, normal olive oil, Pernod, which is my new sponsor, I wish. I've got a fridge range egg, some harissa paste, French stick, and finally some fish stock. And without forgetting our usual black pepper and salt. So let's do this. So today I'm gonna do the garnish first, okay? So the first one is get your French baguette. We're gonna do some croutons. Not in the oven today for a change. We're gonna do it on the stove. So my pan is heating nicely. Olive oil, lovely. This is what we want. Beautiful. And we just rub with a little garlic, both sides. Okay, so next we're gonna make our rouille my way. So I've got some bread here. I'm gonna soak it with a little fish stock, or you can soak it with water if you like. There we are. Give it a couple of minutes. After 1 minute, you just soak the excess fish stock, and we're gonna put it into the blender. That's it. In the blender goes 3 garlic cloves, big fat garlic cloves, 1 egg yolk, 2 generous teaspoons of harissa paste, a little salt. There you go. We're gonna blend this, and we're gonna add the extra virgin olive oil slowly to bring it to a thick mayonnaise consistency. Right, we're adding the olive oil slowly. We're just checking for consistency. Oh yes, coming on. Let's have a taste. Very good. A bit more oil. There we go. Okay, that should do it. Excellent. That's what we want. So this one, you can keep it in the fridge for up to a week. Okay, so we're gonna start our bouillabaisse. Okay, so on the stove, hot pan, olive oil. First ingredient goes in a pan. Onions, garlic, orange zest. Got my finely chopped celery, fennel, and leek in there. A little bit of black pepper. So all in the pan, and we're gonna soften this mixture for 5 minutes or so. We're gonna need our tomato, which has been skinned and seeded and chopped. Tomato goes in there. My chilies, my thymes, my bay leaves, and my saffron strand goes in there. And to that, we're adding our fish stock. There you go. We're gonna bring it to the boil, and we're gonna boil it for 10 minutes. To that, I will add a little pinch of salt. There you go, that will do. So after 10 minutes of boiling, the flavors coming through nicely, we're gonna add our fish. We're gonna start with a firmer fish. So today I've got some cod and monkfish. That's it. Boiling, we reduce now. We're gonna simmer that for 3 minutes. That's the word baisse who comes into term now. So the bouille has been done, now we're doing the baisse. After 3 minutes simmering, we add the softer fish then on top. I've got sea bream, and this one is gonna take a bit longer, so right there, sea bream, there you go, and some sea bass. And guess what? we are bouilling now. Here it comes, the boil is here, and we're gonna simmer it again for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of simmering, just adding my mussel meat or fresh mussel if you have it. Okay, I've got some oregano to add to bring some more flavor from the med, and the ultimate med flavor, little splash of piano. And guess what? We bring it back to the boil for this time 1 minute. So after 1 minute of boiling, what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer the fish into this warm plate which I've got here. That's it, just carefully transfer the fish over. The king of the prawns, there it goes. There. This one I'm gonna keep it warm for a couple of minutes, because I'm gonna strain my soup now back on the stove. I'm gonna strain my soup into another dish. That's it, and I'm gonna reduce that for 5 minutes. To that I'm gonna add a little extra virgin oil. I like it hot, so a little cayenne pepper goes in it. That's it. And that should take 5 minutes to emulsify and to reduce. So after 5 minutes of boiling that broth with a little extra virgin olive oil, it's coming together. The flavors is enhancing in there. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm stopping this. I'm getting my fish out of the oven. There you go. Pour the soup over. On that, I'm gonna add one of my croutons that I made earlier. Okay, on that a little dollop of rouille. There you go. Garnish of thyme and a little oregano. There you go. Now in Marseille, they do eat that dish with the fish separate, which means that they eat the soup first with the crouton and the rouille as a first course, and then they add the fish to the dish. But this is my way of doing it. Stef le chef, Bouillabaisse, and I wonder what my friend over there behind me has got for me today, which will complement this beautiful dish. What is it? Yeah, Provence wine, rosé or white. Today I've got some Sauvignon Blancs from Provence. Goes very well with this dish. And enjoy this summertime. Please like and subscribe. That will be ace. And bon appétit on Stef le chef. Bouillabaisse. Merci. And allez l'OM. Can't wait to crack on in this.